Look at this. Masked suspect smashing into a corner store and dragging out an ATM like it's nothing. Bold, reckless, and caught on camera. And that's just one of the craziest robberies we're breaking down in this video. From armed gunmen storming restaurants, to carjackers pulling people out of their rides at gunpoint, to burglars ripping entire registers out of stores. These are the wildest crimes caught on tape in Chicago. Before we get started on this video, make sure you go check out my website that's in the description, where I post viral videos daily. And plus, make sure you like the video and share it with someone to spread the violence awareness. Packed into the early hours of January 23rd, 2025, a group of 3 to 4 masked and gloved men in dark clothing used a silver Kia Optima to visit at least 8 businesses across Chicago's 16th district. They smashed through front windows or glass doors, targeting cash registers, drawers containing money. Between approximately 1:49 a.m. locations in Union Ridge, Edison Park, and Forest Glen were hit on the 7000 block of West Higgins Avenue. A masked man wearing a light-colored hoodie, a dark jacket, and carrying a backpack walks into a store. He pulls out what appears to be an AR-style pistol and points it toward the register. The employees are forced to hand over the money as he demands everything inside. Within seconds, the suspect takes the cash and leaves the store. This robbery was not an isolated event. Just days later, another business on the south side was hit in the same way. The same suspect is seen again, dressed in the same clothing, entering a store and flashing the gun as he forces workers to empty the drawer. A week after that, he strikes yet another business, again armed and prepared, following the same pattern. In each case, he enters quickly, brandishes the weapon, robs the register, and escapes before anyone can react. The consistent clothing and weapons suggest the same individual carried out all of these robberies. This one is absolutely wild. In the pre-dawn hours of August 5, 2025, masked men smashed their way into a store, what looks like a liquor shop, on the 0 to 100 block of South Pulaski. They're here for one thing: the ATM. They break in, rip the machine right out from wherever it was sitting, and haul it away. Whether fully stolen or rifled through first isn't to be seen on the footage, but they walk off with it. It's brazen, fast, and totally over the top. This wasn't a solo job. It matches a pattern. At least 18 ATM thefts across Chicago since early June, hitting neighborhoods from the near west to near north, northwest, Austin, Grand Central, and more. In each case, groups of 2 to 5 masked individuals in stolen or rented SUVs smash into businesses, either cracking open or tearing out the ATM and loading it into the vehicle before speeding off. In this incident, investigators say there were 4 men, all dressed in dark hooded sweatshirts with masks and gloves. Their shoes stand out: Air Jordans with white or black laces, one pair with a white tongue, another with a gray glove featuring a red lower cuff, and one wears sweatpants with white stripes at the sides. A rideshare driver arrives at the 4500 block of South Hermitage Avenue in the back of the Yards neighborhood just after 1:15 a.m., drops off a customer, and suddenly finds himself threatened at gunpoint. The customer pulls out a firearm, orders the driver to exit the vehicle, and then takes off. Driving away in the stolen car, when investigators reviewed the footage, they caught the suspect inside the stolen vehicle. He's seen wearing a Rick and Morty hoodie and has tattoos on his neck and hand, all crystal clear in high definition. A man pulls up quietly on a dark BMX-style bike in the early hours. He smashes the front window of a closed business, calmly steps inside, and walks straight to the cash register. Instead of rushing, he works methodically, picking out a stack of bills as though he's got the time, and then exits, pedaling away without any hurry. Days later, the same suspect strikes again at a different store. Same quiet entry, same broken window. Days later, the same suspect strikes again at a different store. Same quiet entry, this time he left with nothing. These burglaries happen across Chicago's neighborhoods. Washington Heights, Marquette Park, Park Manor, Gresham, and Beverly between March 19 and March 26, 2025. It's the same individual each time, a bulky male around 5'8" to 6'1" and 240 pounds, dressed in dark clothes, a black mask and gloves, with a reflective yellow stream safety vest that makes him stand out against the night. He lurks on the landing of a dim stairwell, seemingly waiting. You can see him watching, studying a target before he moves. When the moment comes, he leaps into action. A handgun in his hand, he forces his way in, surprising whoever's there. There's no hesitation, he takes control, demands the money, then slips away as quickly as he appeared. This isn't random, it's part of a wave of armed robberies sweeping through Chicago's Gresham neighborhood in the 6th district. In each case, the suspect is armed, uses the same method of lying in wait, and strikes with precision and force. 3 men move in on a storage center under the cover of night. They smash their way inside and head straight for the units. One by one, they break into lockers, pulling out boxes, clothes, bags, anything people had left stored away. They don't rush, they take their time, piling up whatever they can carry. Then they disappear back into the dark with armfuls of stolen property. Days later, the same crew shows up at another storage spot. Same method, same slow and steady approach. Smash the lock, raid the units, and walk out with everything they can grab. Masked gunmen walk inside 3 businesses in rapid succession, hitting Lincoln Park, Avondale, and Logan Square, all in about an hour and a half just after 2 a.m. They're dressed head to toe in black, ski masks, hooded sweatshirts, pants, and gloves. Once inside, they pull out handguns, force employees to open cash registers and take all the money. One of them stays by the door as a lookout. In one business, they rob a customer at gunpoint. In another, one of the suspects punches an employee in the face before making off with the cash. Then they hop into a gray Kia Sorento and disappear. If there's one thing to take from these clips, is how fast everything happens. Most of these robberies are over in seconds, and the suspects move with no hesitation. Situational awareness, paying attention to your surroundings, and trusting your instincts can make all the difference.